Flight 1384, visual 27 right.
Flight 1384, Philly Tower number 3, runway 27 right, clear to land, wind 2509er.
Clear to land 27 right, for Flight 1384.
Push it to 206, keep your speed up a couple more miles if you can.
Keep the speed up, Lucy 5206.
Thank you. PMOP 5810, turn right at the high speed, right on kilo spot 10, contact ramp.
High speed, kilo, we're calling ramp, PM 5810. PMOP 5901, runway 35 inbound.
PMOP 5901 above the tower with 35 clear to land. You'll pass behind Frontier Airbus 320 for 27 right, winds are 2608.
Okay, well, clear to land PMOP 5901, runway 35.
What speed do you know, ma'am?
We're
Thank you.
Philly Tower, American 857, visual 27 right.
American 857 above the tower, 27 right, clear to land number 4, wind 2508, number airline 35, prior to you.
All right, clear to land 27 right, American 857.
PMOP 5901, slow to your final, make an S-turn to the left, please.
We're slowing now, we'll make an S-turn PMOP 5901.
Frontier 1384, can you increase 10 knots to the runway?
Negative.
Thank you. PMOP 5901, make it a wide S-turn to the left, please.
S-turn to left, PMOP 5901.
Thanks. I gotta lose about a half mile here.
Roger.
2641, parking Alpha 13.
American 2641, Tango Kilo Romeo spot 6 to ramp.
Tango Kilo Romeo, spot 6 ramp, good night.
Thanks, take care.
Tower, American 2717, 12 off, 27 right.
American 2717, Philly Tower, number 4, runway 27 right, clear to land, wind 2608.
Clear to land, 27 right, American 2717.
PMOP 5901, can you make it shallow to the right, just shallow?
We'll make a shallow turn to the right, PMOP 5901.
Thanks, your traffic's coming up on the shipyard.
See them.
Thank you. PMOP 5901, the speed and spacing is good, clear to land 35, thank you.
Clear to land 35, PMOP 5901.
Push it to 206, November Kilo spot 10 to ramp.
November Kilo spot 10 to ramp, Lucy 5206.
You picked up a little speed there, PMOP 5901, it's going to be tight. If it doesn't work, you're going to go around.
Roger.
Frontier 1384 is clear to land 27 right.
1384, clear to land.
Visual 35. Stand by.
Frontier's going around.
PMOP 5901, go around. Turn right immediately. PMOP 5901, fly runway heading, maintain 3000.
Runway heading 3000, PMOP 5901.
Frontier 1384, flighting 300, maintain 2000.
Heading 300.
Frontier 1384, that's 300 to 2000.
300 to 2000, 1384.
Yeah, I wanted you to land and the other guy was going to go around. Okay.
Good afternoon, Philly, American 747, heavy with 27 right.
American 747, Heavy Philly Tower, 27 right, number 3, clear to land. Traffic lands 35, party's going to be a Falcon.
Roger that, clear to land, American 747, 27 right.
Falcon 1982 Charlie, Philly Tower, reduce your final approach speed, S turn to the left.
Okay, slowing and S turning left for 82 Charlie. That was way too close for Frontier, we made the decision.
PMOP 901, contact departure 124.35.
12435, PMOP 5901.
Frontier 1384, contact Philly 124.35, they'll bring you back around.
2435, Frontier 1384.
Falcon 82 Charlie, clear to land runway 35, traffic lands 27 right, parties in Airbus 319.
Clear to land 35 right, looking for the traffic, 82 Charlie.
Okay, runway 35.
Clear to land 35, I'm sorry, yep, 35 for 82 Charlie.
82 Charlie, traffic short final 27 right, lands prior to you.
Yep, 82 Charlie.
Thanks. American 747 Heavy, reduce your final approach speed. Traffic's the Falcon landing 35 ahead of you.
We're back there now, Mark 747 Heavy.